Hey guys, so for dinner tonight I'm making cavatelli from scratch. Made my pasta balls, so that's semolina flour, or you can use all-purpose flour, and you add enough water to get it like Play-Doh. So I didn't even measure, I just mixed it until it got that consistency. Then I rolled it into a long tube, and then with a knife you go like this and slide it towards you. There you go. Little cavatellis. So I'm making all that with vodka sauce and chicken nuggets. That's dinner tonight. Let me show you again. It's easier with two. So use a butter knife. It's easier with two hands, but you just drag it towards you where it curls. Oops. Where'd it go? Yep. There. Just kind of curls into it itself. And that's cavatelli. Look at all that pasta. So there's my chicken all cut up into some kind of cubes. Some of them are strips. Thin enough that they won't take too long to cook. Got my eggs beaten with a little bit of milk and some salt in it. And my breadcrumbs. I did sprinkle a little salt on the chicken. So I'm going to egg and bread and throw them in the air fryer. Go. So I put some in my air fryer basket. Egged and bread. Got some spray avocado oil. Gonna spray the top. And then we'll put it on high. And let's start with 10 minutes. Yeah, this is I want the digital. This water is boiling, so let's add some salt. Then I'm going to start adding my pasta. Oops. I don't want them to stick together, but since they're fresh pasta, they don't really just roll right off. So I'm going to use two hands and it's going to cook really quickly. So I laid it in a greased pan because I just don't have time to make all these chicken nuggets in the air fryer. It's already, oh, that's the temperature. It's already 5:49 p.m. So I set my oven to 425. I'm going to spray these with some more oil. And we're going to bake them. Yeah, I don't use the air fryer that much, so I got to really play with it. So for the vodka sauce, I am going to chop up onions finely and garlic together. And we're going to saute it in some butter. A little bit of salt. So I had to put those chicken nuggets back in for another 15 minutes. Chicken nuggets shouldn't take 45 minutes to cook in an air fryer. So I've come to the conclusion, let's add a little bit of salt on here. I've come to the conclusion that air fryers are perfect for small families or one person. They do a great job with the frozen appetizers from Costco's, like mozzarella sticks or mini tacos. They're good on hot dogs too, but honestly, not a dinner. Can't do a dinner in that. Not for a family of 5. So the air fryer sucks, yes. Yeah, so it's definitely not good for big families at all. It actually sucks. Or at least mine sucks. Alright, so those are getting a little translucent. And then we'll add tomato sauce. So now the add tomato sauce. I'm going to do 2 cans. Let that heat up. Okay, so that is bubbling. And let's add some heavy whipping cream. About, I guess, like a cup. Damn. And then we'll add the pasta back in when this is nice and heated, so it warms up the pasta again. So that's bubbling, and now we're gonna put our pasta back in. These came out really thick. Thick, chewy pasta. So now let that all heat up. I'm telling you. So ignore the chicken nugget part of this dinner because it was a disaster, taking way too long. So just pay attention to the pasta. Okay. So after 50 minutes of air frying, this is the first batch. They taste good. They stuck to the bottom of the pan. But yes, it's not for a big family.
Air fry sucks.
So I had to stick them under broil too to get crunchy on top. I don't know. This was just an epic fail as far as the chicken nuggets go. So ignore that portion of the video. Concentrate on the pasta. That came out good. And that's dinner tonight. John did a salad. That's in the dining room. I'll show you what it looks like. All right, John wants to show off his salad. There, salad.
That's the one thing that came out good.
I'll show you what it looks like plated. And there it is plated. John actually added some raw broccoli to the salad to just bump it up. And that's dinner tonight.